Welcome back to the channel. My name's Cathy and today is Cheapy Tuesday, where I usually show you any bargains I've bought, any thrifted items or any new items I've picked up during the week. Yesterday on my way home from the park with the dog, I was talking to a lady who was tending to her garden, and it was absolutely full of hydrangeas. And I was telling her that they're really trendy at the moment and people buy dried ones and silk ones, and she gave me a bloom, so I was really pleased. So today I've been picking some flowers in the garden. I've got lavender in pots, so I've just picked some, and I had these yellow flowers growing between the pavements. And then on the way home, because I've been in Saltwan today, I picked some yarrow. So they had some white yarrow and some pink yarrow and whatever these were, I don't know what they are, and I picked this green stem. On the way home, they were growing in between the pavements, and I just thought, oh, they're pretty, so I picked some. So yeah, they're all wildflowers apart from the lavender and the hydrangeas, but aren't they gorgeous? So yeah, I've been into Swan because I was looking for, as usual, coffee, but the main reason was I need some wood filler and some wood glue to sort out my skirting boards in the living room, in the back room there. So because I didn't have any in, I thought over the weekend and over the last few days, I thought, right, there's things I need to do, so I thought I'll sort them out while I'm waiting until I get paid on Tuesday. So I've got a bay window in my bedroom and in this living room here, the standing room. So I cleaned all the windows on the inside, took all my curtains down in my bedroom. I've got like plain voiles, like plain nets on the window and velvet curtains, so they've all been washed now. I washed the voiles by hand and let them drip dry in the shower one at a time, but they've dried quick in the weather, so I did one in the morning to let it drip dry. It was dry by the afternoon, and then I put another one on the shower screen and that was dry by the evening, and then I did the last one overnight and that's dry as well. And then I washed my vintage tablecloth that I've just recently bought, and before I went shopping I washed my tea cosy that I bought, which were both from the local charity shop. So it's just good. I got loads of things dried. My curtains I dried one at a time over the banister, and they dried overnight, so I'm really pleased. So the window's all spick and span now because I had to move all my plants. I got rid of all the dead grungy bits and thinned them out, and the windowsill was rotten, so everything's all lovely and spangly clean now. And I contacted a window cleaner yesterday, and he's going to come on Friday to do the front for me on the outside, because I tend to clean the windows on the inside myself, and downstairs I'll clean the back windows in the garden. So he's going to do the front windows for me because I don't like climbing ladders anymore because I get a touch of vertigo, so I just don't want to take the risk. So yeah, he's coming on Friday and it's £8, so I'm happy with that. So like I said, I've been to Home Bargains and I spent £17.49. I went in to get certain items. The only thing I didn't get off my little list was the coffee, so I'm quite happy about that. So what did I get? I got the filler, and that was I think it was £1.29. Yeah, filler at £1.29. I got wood glue. They didn't have the usual stuff I get for £1.79, but they had this stuff for £1.29. It's not as good as the £1.79 one, but beggars can't be choosers because that's all they had in stock. So there it is there. Grab it easy. I got this shower caddy because the one that's in the shower is all rusty, so I'll put that out as the estate agent comes and hang it off the shower screen, and that was only £4.99, which I thought was good because I was looking at the ones in Asda and they were £10, £12, £15, and the one in Home Bargains What is it? Yeah, shower caddy, £4.99. I picked up my usual soap, that's £1.49. I picked up some curry noodles for my son, they're £39. I got some Mully yogurts for my son, his favourite flavours, they're £2.49. They're £3.79 I think in Asda. I think they do have an offer on. 2 for a £5, but I don't want to get 2 packets because you won't get through them and they'll just go to waste. As often if you've not got other people who eat them, they just go to waste. That's why I very rarely buy things like that. So yeah, I got these crusty rolls for me because I was in bed last night and I was thinking, oh, I've made some cheese and onion on toast. So I got cheese and onion in the fridge and I was thinking, ooh. And last night I was thinking, I'm not putting the bread maker on because it takes 3 hours. It doesn't use much energy, but you know when you're like, well, I'm not sitting there all night. So, what would you been up till 3 or 4 in the morning waiting for the bread to cook? And I wasn't be well passed out by then. So when I went shopping today, I got these baguettes and they were 79p. I got a big chewy bone thing for my dog. She absolutely loves these. They're £1. So I'll give her that in a minute. I bought these wood kitchen utensils. These were £1.49. I bought them for my son, so these will go in his treasure box because I'm currently buying him pots and pans and crockery and all that sort of thing for when he moves out, because I'm downsizing this year, if you don't know. If you do know, sorry for repeating myself. So when I downsize, he's going to come with me initially and then he's going to look for a place of his own, and he's currently saving up his deposit at the moment. So I'm just picking things up as I go along. So yeah, these were £1.49, which I thought was good value. Where are they? Let's just have a look. Kitchen bamboo utensil set, £1.49. Because we're trying to get rid of plastic, so I thought, well, I'm not going to buy plastic to begin with. So he's got a cutlery set, he's got tea towels, bath towels, hand towels, and I've been buying him bits of vintage Denby plates and bowls. So he's got quite a collection going at the moment, and he's got loads of drinking glasses as well. So yeah, we're getting there slowly but surely. I got Dreamies for my cat, for little puskins. Let's see, Dreamies, £1.29. They didn't have her wet box sticks. They had the dog version, not the cat version. I got these treats for my dog because she's a good girl. So the big twist was 99. Let's see. Yeah, Baker's Rewards 79p. These are £1.39 in Asda. So these are 80p, 79p, and the £1.39, so they're 70p cheaper. There was only one bag. I was going to get a couple, but there you go. You can only buy what we've got. And I bought a bag today because my son's borrowed me rucksack because his rucksack is fell apart. Show you the state of it. That's his one he's been bringing to work, and it's just trash. So I said to him, I'll just take mine. And we've ordered a new one that's coming on Friday. So I said to him, I'll muddle through. So I've got a carrier bag today, as well as using my shoulder bag, and that was 20p, which is not bad because the bags in Asda are 40p, so it's half the price. Talking of Asda, I was in there the other day. When you watch one of my previous videos, I bought these prissy tea towels to dress the kitchen with when I've got the estate agent and potential buyers coming to see. I love it because it's blue and green, my colours. Last time I was in there the other day, I picked up the matching oven gloves, the double one. And it's like a pale blue on the inside, and it's got the pretty butterfly fabric on the outside. So I think, oh, good. And that was £4. And it was the last one because I was looking at them the other week when I bought the tea towels. I thought, oh, there's loads of them gloves, I'll get them. And I was lucky because that was the last one they had. And I bought this lovely blankie with daisy like flowers on. This was £5.50. So I'm not sure where it will go. I was thinking of maybe throwing it on the sofa in the back room, because my dog tends to have a blanket on the sofa because she's just taken over that as her bed. So I might put that on the sofa for her, but if not, I might just fling it on the back of the chair, because it does look kind of cottagey, doesn't it? And my back room, my living room, is more dark academia, so it might go on one of the kitchen chairs, the back of it, or one of the chairs here. There's my tablecloth that I washed yesterday. Lovely. Yeah. So I've been looking at my wallpapers to deciding what am I going to do. And I've had a couple of people, 2-3 people say to me if they were me, because I'm going to do up this dartboard cupboard case cabinet thingy. I gave it a scrub yesterday and let it dry in the sunshine, and that's about all I've done to it so far. I'll probably put it out again tomorrow if it's not raining, and give it a bit of a light sand before I endeavour to paint it. And yeah, I think I will use it, because this scrap of William Morris paper has been hanging around for years, so this might be the time to use it. When I move, I'm going to do my kitchen walls in yellow but have the cupboards blue. So I thought, oh, it's got like a yellowy background, so I'll tie it together. This is the scrap paper I've got left over from the box bedroom and the bit of it in my pantry. I've had my money's worth with this wallpaper. It was £2. It's a B&Q wallpaper. And I think it was originally £28.99 when they were selling it, but I got it for £2 at Bernardo. It's still in the wrapper. Because I was in Old Swan, I popped in the Pound Bakery because I'm a greedy fat lordy, and I got me some sausage rolls. They do sausage rolls, three for £3. I think they're £1.50 each. So he likes the veggie sausage rolls, so I get him 3 of them. I didn't get myself any pasties like I usually do, because I got myself the crusty rolls instead, because I'm going to do some cheese on toast in a minute. I'll cut one in half and I'll toast the brown bit here, the crust first, turn it over, and lots of cheese and onion on. And cakeys, oh gosh, let's see the state of these. They do 4 cakes for £4, so it works out £1 each. Because my son has said if they've got the little Rice Krispie cakes or cornflake cakes, but they've gone up to £2.50, and I thought might as well pay the extra £1.50 and get custardy creamy cakes. I think it's £2.50 for 2 or £4 for 4. So let's see. Oh, lovely! They're all intact. So I've got 2 custard slices. They call them Bavarian slices, strawberry charlotte and apple charlotte. So 2 will be for today and 2 will be for tomorrow. Oh, I can't believe them. They were intact. Yay! The cake gods are looking after me. Yeah, so while I was in Old Swan, because there's about 5 or 6 charity shops, I was up and down, and I've been looking for a vase, and it was all sparked by this lovely hydrangea I got given yesterday, this bloom. Oh, that lavender smells lovely. And I used to have a vase, a blue glass one, and I broke it because I'm clumsy. And I had it for years and was miffed. And then for the last couple of months I forgot about it, because I was thinking I need to get a new vase because I broke it a couple of months ago. It's currently in a glass, as you can see. And I used the fish water off the tank to keep it going for a bit longer. Apparently you're supposed to throw a copper coin in, a penny or 2 to keep it going, so I will do in a minute. So I went looking for vases, and honestly, I saw 2 vases. One was a tenner, and it wasn't particularly big, and I thought, I'm not paying a tenner for a vase. And there was a £3 one. I thought, oh, but it was chipped. So that was it. So I was like, oh. So I need to keep checking my local charity shop, see if they've got one. So in the meantime, I picked up a jug. So this jug was the big price of £1. And I picked it up because I thought, oh, it's got a little bit of an Art Deco feel. I like the ribbed texture of it. And it's got a flower on. I think that's clematis. That's a running theme this week with the clematis, isn't it? On my oven glove, on my tablecloth, and now on my jug. But that's it, isn't that lovely? I love blue flowers, I love blue anything. But I thought, oh, so it's like a beehivey rib texture. So I thought, oh, that's so pretty. And it was £1. So I thought, that's better than a drinking glass, isn't it? So, because I tend to go for rib stuff, because if you look on my trolley, I've got a ribbed ice bucket, a rib jug, and some rib glasses that you can't see. So, yeah, that's a sort of running theme. So, yeah, so now I'm looking for a vase. But in the meantime, I'll use my cottagey jug. So, if you could be so kind, could you please like, share and subscribe? Thank you for getting this far in my ramble. Yeah, I haven't done much thrifting this week. But then again, I got that £5 deal, didn't I, the other day from the charity shop with all my bits and bobs. But that jug I thought's great, isn't it? £1. Nothing to grumble about there. And let me know if you've picked up anything interesting. I'm always interested to know. And bye for now.